चल हो जा शुरू।
केसरिया से मन जोगी हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे।
हर पल मनाओ केसरी त्योहार। विमल बोलो जुबान केसरी।
And viewers, let's move ahead to the top story. Tracking 8 days after one of the most cowardly attacks in Jammu and Kashmir, where a bus carrying pilgrims was attacked by terrorists, claiming at least 9 lives while injuring more than 30. Terrorists attacked the convoy of DIG and SSP of Kathua. It was a narrow escape for top officials. Big update coming in. Dozens of bullets were fired at the officials' convoy. Top sources have informed that terrorists were hiding under the bridge when they launched an attack on the convoy. This comes a day after the terrorist was gunned down in a Kathua operation. Big update coming in on Republic TV viewers. What we know so far is that this has a second attack coming in Jammu and Kashmir's Kathua. We are seeing that even Union Minister Jitendra Singh has said that I'm in continuous contact with the district collector of Kathua in the wake of the terrorist attack on a house. And we can also tell you viewers is that terrorists attacked the convoy of DIG and SSP of Kathua, and both the officials have escaped. It was a narrow escape for both. It was a very narrow escape for both. But the police officials' convoy has been attacked in Kathua. Multiple incidents of these kind of attacks coming in from Kathua itself, viewers. The latest being that the police officials have been they were attacked by these terrorists. And we know that a dozen of bullets were fired at the officials' convoy. I just want to go across to Gursimran joining us. We have Gursimran and we have Arawat. Both our reporters are there on the ground. And I just want to go across to Gursimran first, who is at Kathua right now. These terrorists were hiding under a bridge and then they launched an attack on the convoy. Do we know who are these terrorists who have gone ahead and brazenly attacked police officials? Gursimran.
See, right now we are at the Kathua encounter site, and one thing that we are bringing you at the first, that it was not only the civilians that were attacked, but it was the convoy of the DIG Jammu Kathua Samba as well as the SSP Kathua that came under heavy fire. It was a plot of the terrorists that were hiding under the bridge to target both the senior officers. They wanted to inflict the maximum casualties to the security forces and the top officers, including the DIG JKS range, Dr. Sunil Gupta, and the SSP of the Kathua district, Anayat Ali Chaudhary. They were on the target of these terrorists. I'll request Gaurav to keep showing you the visuals from the operation site, that the operations are still underway. We are not showing any visuals that can defer any of the operations that can lead to any of the hindrance in the operations. These all are the visuals that we are showing you from the ground zero. And one thing that is really very concerning is that how these top officials were attacked by the terrorist. That bridge, if Gaurav can be in a position to show you, that is the bridge under which the terrorist was hiding. One terrorist was killed in the initial gunfire. The second terrorist was hiding under this. And when the convoy of the DIG JKS along with the SSP Kathua came here, they opened the fire. Around a dozen rounds were fired upon these two officials. We have the exclusive visuals of the convoy of these two senior officials being attacked by the terrorists. That how these terrorists, they attacked the Pakistani terrorists, first attacked the civilians, and then when one terrorist was killed, the second terrorist attacked the convoy of the DIG JKS, Dr. Sunil Gupta, and the SSP Kathua, Anayat Ali Chaudhary. This was the target of the terrorists, that they want to inflict the maximum damage to the senior officers. They wanted to ensure that there are casualties to the top brass of the Jammu and Kashmir police. These are highly trained terrorists, the Pakistani terrorists that are still active in the area. And as we move this side, I will be requesting Gaurav to keep showing you the visuals that side, that the search operations are still underway. The senior officials from the Jammu and Kashmir Police, Indian Army, as well as the Central Reserve Police Force, all are on the ground. But the biggest breaking of this moment is that two top officials, including the DIG JKS range and the SSP Kathua, they came under the fire of the terrorists. Their convoy was attacked by the terrorists. They had a narrow escape. Over a dozen rounds were fired led by the Pakistani terrorist. The visuals that we have, that how their vehicles have been hit at the front panel, at the rear side, from the left side also they were hit, and this shows that these Pakistani terrorists, one of those has been neutralized now. They were sent with the clear-cut instructions that first they have to attack the civilians, but in case if they fail, they have to ensure that during the encounter they inflict maximum damage to the top leadership of the J&K police, so that they can cause maximum damage and they can send a message that they have brought down the senior leadership. But the alertness of the troops on ground ensured that both the senior officers, they managed to have a narrow escape from the spot. But the tactics of these Pakistani terrorists, one of which is still active in the area, shows that how they were trained. They had a rigorous training and then they were pushed into the Indian territory. They crossed over from the international border in the Kathua district itself, which also raises the serious questions about the border guarding techniques that are being placed, because there are regular inputs that infiltration is taking place, and there has been regular inputs that were shared with the BSF by the Jammu and Kashmir police that the infiltration is taking place from the international border. So it has to be seen how things actually pan out from here. But a narrow escape from two senior officers of the Jammu and Kashmir police, that is the DIG JKS range and the SSP Udhampur, who were fired over a dozen rounds by the Pakistani terrorists at their vehicles.
Oh yes, absolutely, Gursimran. And with the series of attacks that we do witness in Jammu and Kashmir, it's a very clear orchestrated plan to heighten tensions in Jammu and Kashmir. Now, while you speak about intel that was received by the BSF, while you also speak that there is an attempt to infiltrate terrorists onto the Indian side to mount terror attacks, what exactly are you picking up from our forces? They're not going to let this go easily. They're certainly going to avenge this. But how is the security apparatus being heightened? And how is it that a multi-pronged operation is being launched?
See, a multi-pronged operation is underway, but the security situation is really very concerning. It is the Prime Minister of the country and the Home Minister who on the taking oath for their third term first spoke to the Lieutenant Governor of Jammu and Kashmir. This shows the magnitude of the concern they have for Jammu and Kashmir, because the situation in Jammu and Kashmir when it comes to the terror attack, the Jammu region is now heading towards a destabilization side, because earlier it was stable, there were hardly any terror attacks. But now what is happening, that the terrorists have become active in the hinterland. They are carrying out attacks at their own will. Except the yesterday's operation where the Kathua police, they ensured that the terrorists are killed at very first sight. All the operations, they have been more or less unsuccessful for the security forces as the terrorists managed to flee from the spot. Now you will see that the entire area has been cordoned in. This area, we are told, is as big as it can be as compared to the Mender and the Surankot. So this is a massive stretch that is being now scanned by the security forces. 3 to 4 senior officers of the Jammu and Kashmir police, including the DIG JKS, SSP Samba, as well as the SSP Kathua, they are on the spot strategizing for the further action. And also one more thing, that they are very hopeful that very soon these the terrorists, the single terrorist that is still active in the area that attacked the convoy of the DIG as well as the SSP Kathua, he will be brought down. And one more thing that we are getting to know, that this group is of Lashkar-e-Toiba, the Lashkar group that has been active in the area for last couple of days. It carried out attack, but the larger plot was that when they fail to target the civilians, they will be targeting the senior officials, and that's why the convoy of the DIG Sunil Gupta and SSP Anayat Ali was attacked. It came under heavy fire by the terrorists, but what has happened is that these two officers, they had a narrow escape when it comes to the firing by the terrorist. Yes.